What's up guys, are you looking for the best drone? In this video, we will look at some of the best drones on the market. So let's get started. Number 1. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro stands out as a lightweight and foldable camera drone that redefines what's possible in aerial photography. Boasting impressive features such as 4K/60 FPS video recording, a 48MP camera sensor, and a remarkable 34-minute flight time, this drone is a versatile tool for capturing stunning visuals. Its tridirectional obstacle sensing ensures safe flights, even in challenging environments. The DJI Mini 3 Pro's portability makes it an excellent companion for travelers and adventurers, enabling them to effortlessly capture breathtaking shots on the go. Weighing in at less than 249 grams, the DJI Mini 3 Pro brings you carefree creation in most countries and regions. It doesn't require registration, allowing you to unleash your creative potential without any bureaucratic hassles. Its foldable and compact design ensures it's ready to accompany you on any adventure, making it a perfect travel companion. Prepare to be amazed by the stunning visuals captured by the DJI Mini 3 Pro. With the ability to shoot in 4K at 60 frames per second and take 48MP photos, this drone ensures that every detail of your world is captured in remarkable clarity. Number 2. DJI Avata. For those seeking to push the boundaries of creativity, the DJI Avata is a phenomenal FPV drone that opens up a world of cinematic possibilities. With its exceptional 4K camera, the Avata allows you to create unique and captivating content. This drone is particularly well suited for newcomers to FPV flying, thanks to its user-friendly design. It's also an excellent choice for capturing shots in confined spaces, such as indoors or within dense forests, where other drones might struggle to navigate safely. The DJI Avata opens the door to a world of total immersion and intuitive control. When combined with the DJI goggles and motion controller, flight becomes accessible to all. Say goodbye to traditional controls and embrace a new way of flying that responds to your every move. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a beginner, the Avata empowers you to take the skies with confidence. With the innovative DJI motion controller in your hands, the power of flight is at your fingertips. Squeeze the trigger and bolt forward or elegantly turn a corner with a simple swivel of your wrist. The Avata's intuitive design ensures that piloting your drone feels like second nature, making every flight a thrilling adventure. Captures stunning 4K footage with ease, as the DJI Avata features an upgraded camera system that requires no additional attachments. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3. The DJI Mavic 3 series represents the pinnacle of professional-grade aerial photography. With its 4.3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, 43-minute flight time, and impressive 15km HD video transmission range, this flagship drone is tailored for photographers and videographers who demand the highest quality. The Mavic 3 comes in various versions, including the Classic, Cine, Enterprise, and Pro editions. The Enterprise edition, equipped with specialized tools like thermal imaging cameras and loudspeakers, is designed to serve the needs of professional agencies and search and rescue operations. At the heart of the Mavic 3 Pro lies the Hasselblad main camera, a masterpiece of engineering that captures the world with astonishing clarity and precision. With a 4/3 CMOS sensor, 24mm format equivalent, and an aperture range of f/2.8 to f/11, the 20MP sensor delivers breathtaking imagery that surpasses expectations. Number 4. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 strikes a perfect balance between affordability and performance. With features like 4K HDR video, a 38-minute flight time, and true vertical shooting, it's an excellent choice for beginners looking to explore the world of drone piloting. This drone is also a valuable asset for content creators in need of B-roll footage or basic aerial photography. While it lacks certain advanced features like active track, the DJI Mini 3 remains an exceptional tool for those who want to take their skills to the next level. Weighing under 249 grams, the DJI Mini 3 is the perfect travel companion for adventurers of all kinds. From thrilling hikes to scenic road trips and lazy beach days. Number 5. DJI Air 2S. The DJI Air 2S is a drone that bridges the gap between enthusiast and professional filmmaking. Its 3-axis gimbal camera captures stunning 5.4K video with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, ensuring exceptional image quality. With 4-direction obstacle sensing, a 31-minute flight time, and a video transmission range of up to 7.5 miles, the Air 2S is perfect for drone pilots seeking high-quality footage without breaking the bank. It serves as an excellent stepping stone for those looking to venture into more advanced camera drones, such as the DJI Mini 3 Pro Cine. Equipped with a remarkable 1-inch image sensor and large 2.4 micrometers pixels, the DJI Air 2S captures breathtaking details and vibrant colors that bring your visuals to life. Capable of shooting in stunning 5.4K at 30 frames per second and smooth 4K at 60 frames per second, this drone ensures your videos are nothing short of cinematic masterpieces. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.